Josh, are you building a track? Good job. Happy birthday, Josh. Can you say thank you, Grandma? Thank you, Papa. Josh, look at the camera. Say thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Papa. Say thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Papa.
Good job.
Hey, Papa.
Can you blow kisses? Good.
That
Say thank you, I love you.
is apple.
I love you, Papa.
Apple, Papa.
I love you, Grandma.
Apple, Tommy.
Thank you for the birthday present.
Apple, now.
Thank you for the trains. Is this so fun? Look at this big track. Are you so excited?